Good day everyone, I am Hamim of Nursing NK1 and today we will be discussing about the blood flow inside our heart. Now, the veins of our heart, such as this one and this one, contains blood that flows into the heart, while our arteries, such as this one and this one, contains blood that flows away from the heart. Now, this dark and light blue represents parts of our heart that contains deoxygenated blood, while this red and orange represents parts of our heart that contains oxygenated blood. With that being said, let's start discussing the blood flow in our hearts. The superior vena cava receives deoxygenated blood from our head, neck, upper limbs, and our chest, while the inferior vena cava receives deoxygenated blood from the lower part of our body, such as the trunk, viscera, and our lower limbs. The deoxygenated blood from the superior and inferior vena cava are both received by our right atrium. This blood will then pass through our tricuspid valve, for it to enter our right ventricle. After that, this deoxygenated blood enters our pulmonary artery, passing through our pulmonary valve. This pulmonary artery splits into two, the left and the right arteries, which both transports the oxygenated blood to our lungs, to the right side of our lungs and to the left side of our lungs. After that, gas exchange takes place inside the lungs, where our blood takes away carbon dioxide and consecutively receives oxygen, making the blood oxygenated. Now, the blood comes back to the heart through the pulmonary veins, which is this one and this one, with that entering the left atrium. This blood are then pumped into our right ventricle, passing through the mitral or bicuspid valve. This oxygenated blood will then enter our aortic arc, passing through our aortic semilunar valve. This aorta, which is the largest artery, will then distribute the newly oxygenated blood to the rest of our body. After this distribution, new deoxygenated blood will again enter enter the heart, and the same process will take place. Again, this is Hamim from NK1. Thank you and have a great day.